Robbins Financial Credit Union provides you with lots of tools to manage your digital banking. In this video, we'll show you how to do a few routine tasks with your account. We order your first box of checks for you when you open your account. But when the time comes to reorder additional checks, it's easy to do with the Robbins Financial mobile app. First, open the app and log in with your username and password. Now, select Account in the menu bar on the left and tap Order Checks. Choose which account you'd like to order checks for. You'll be directed to Deluxe Financial Services. That's the preferred check supplier of Robbins Financial. Just tap Continue to go to the site, and that's where you'll be able to select and place your order for additional checks. It's that easy. Let's take a look at how to stop the payment of a recently written check. It's a simple task you can do yourself with the Robbins Financial app. Just log into your account and go to the menu. Tap Self-Service Options. Then tap Stop Payment on Checks. You'll now have the option to choose whether you want to stop a single check or multiple checks. Next, you will select the account that the check is connected to and then enter the check number. Now, you'll just need to tap Request Stop Payment. A screen will pop up asking you to go to the Activity Center to approve the request with a secure access code. You must approve the request or it will not be processed. Tap View in Activity Center to complete the request. Once you are in the Activity Center, tap the three dots to the right of the Stop Payment request to approve the transaction. A secure access code will be sent to you. Just enter the code and the request will be authorized. If you see a charge for the stop payment, it will clear the account overnight. And there you have it, a step-by-step look at how to stop payment on checks. Through the Robbins Financial app, you have easy access to your digital paperwork. Just log into your account and let's get started. Tap the menu button and select Products and Services. Then select e-statements. This will take you to a page that will show you your monthly statements, visa statements, tax forms, and other important documents. Click on any statement that you'd like to look at in full. If you're on a computer, all of those categories will appear. But if you are on your phone, just click the stack of 3 lines to the right of monthly statements to get a drop-down menu of all your documents. When you're done, just tap Log Out or Done to be taken back to your account home screen to continue your other banking tasks. It's just that easy with digital banking from Robbins Financial Credit Union. Thanks for watching. For more information, call, click, or visit any of our branch locations.